Let's look at the equipment for pipe loss. Above is the schematic. There is a one-to-one correspondence between the schematic diagram and the pipeline. Tube presses on both sides. It forms 100 centimeters. The above path is to study the process of sudden expansion and contraction, then study the pressure loss in the process. This is a straight pipe. The front and rear pipe diameters are the same. Then these two paths connect through this diagonal T connector and a straight T connector. The last pipe is a detour. First up, then down, and then take another detour. This place is the water inlet. This is the water outlet. After the pipeline comes up from this place, then come over. This place is a replaceable test module, including this copper gate valve and this one, orifice flow meter, a venturi flow meter, and this diaphragm valve. Through this slip knot, replace them. This can be replaced after opening. After opening this, it can be replaced through this clip. When moving here, let's test a situation of the through gate valve first. Let's take this as an example for a test. First, we use this hose from the hydraulic bench connected to its water supply. Let's fix it. Then which way we are going to test? Just turn off the rest of the way. We turn it off. Test the above rod and open the above rod. Turn off all other irrelevant ones. Then the water inlet valve is opened. Let's connect this pipe to the top first. At this time, we are starting its contraction and expansion process. There is no electricity now. Before power on, first make sure both valves are open. Let's close this one first. Let it flow more. Let its water level go up first. Let's vent the air out of here. There's a lot of air in here. Let's pressurize the tube first. Everyone listen to the air in the house. Let's close this valve first. Increase the flow of this valve. At this time, let's discharge the air in this pipeline first, because this line has a lot of air. We close this valve. Then let the air go up. Cycle. And come back from here. Run out of here. We have now vented the air out of the line. There is no air. We open this valve. Now it has a state that looks like this. Now due to the low water pressure, so the one on the left is high and the one on the right is low. Let's close this. We see that this liquid column is always one end larger than the other end. Then we turn this off now and we replace it. Let's try. Let's test the expanding network and the shrinking network. Let's get the air out first. Let's limit the flow. Let the flow in this line increase. We see that the one on the left is always higher, lower on the right. We see the pressure on this end always higher than this end.